The Yangtze giant softshell turtle, also known commonly as the Red River giant softshell turtle, the Shanghai softshell turtle, the speckled softshell turtle, and Swinhoe's softshell turtle, is an extremely rare species of turtle in the family Trionychidae. It may be the largest living freshwater turtle in the world. The Yangtze giant softshell turtle is critically endangered. It is one of the most endangered turtle species in the world. The main factors contributing to its critically endangered status include habitat loss, pollution, illegal hunting, and collection for the exotic pet trade. The Yangtze giant softshell turtle is one of the largest freshwater turtle species in the world. Adult Yangtze giant softshell turtles can reach impressive sizes, with males typically growing to about 60 to 90 centimeters in length and weighing around 80 to 100 kilograms. Females are usually larger, with some individuals reaching up to 120 centimeters in length and weighing over 100 kilograms. Their shell is large, flat, and somewhat leathery, distinguishing them from other turtle species that have harder, bony shells. The shell is light brown or olive green in color, often with dark spots or patches. It has a streamlined shape, which allows the turtle to move more efficiently in the water. The Yangtze giant softshell turtle has a broad head with a large, slightly upturned snout. The upper part of the head is usually grayish or brownish, while the lower part is whitish or yellowish. Their eyes are small and positioned toward the sides of the head. They have a long neck that can be extended to reach the water's surface for breathing. The skin of this turtle species is smooth and lacks scales, giving it a soft texture. The skin coloration is typically a mix of gray, brown, or olive tones, which helps the turtles blend into the natural environment. The Yangtze giant softshell turtle has webbed feet, which are adapted for swimming. The front feet have 3 toes, while the hind feet have 4 toes, all connected by a membrane of skin. These webbed feet enable the turtle to move through the water with agility. The Yangtze giant softshell turtle is known to have a relatively long lifespan compared to many other turtle species. In the wild, their exact lifespan is not well documented, but it is believed to be several decades. In captivity, where individuals receive proper care and protection, they have been known to live for many years. Some captive individuals have reached ages exceeding 80 years. The Yangtze giant softshell turtle has relatively few natural predators due to its large size and tough shell. However, there are still a few predators that pose a threat to these turtles, especially when they are young or vulnerable. Human activities, including habitat destruction, pollution, and illegal hunting, have been the most significant threat to the Yangtze giant softshell turtle. Overexploitation for consumption, traditional medicine, and the exotic pet trade has severely impacted their population. In some parts of their range, particularly in Vietnam, crocodiles have been reported as potential predators of the Yangtze giant softshell turtle. Crocodile attacks are more likely to occur when the turtles are young or during their early stages of life. Large predatory fish found in their habitat, such as catfish, may prey on young or small Yangtze giant softshell turtles. However, due to the turtle's size and protective shell, they are less vulnerable to predation by fish as they reach maturity. There have been occasional reports of birds of prey, such as eagles and large waterbirds, attempting to prey on smaller individuals or hatchlings of the Yangtze giant softshell turtle. The diet of the Yangtze giant softshell turtle primarily consists of a variety of aquatic organisms. Fish make up a significant portion of the Yangtze giant softshell turtle's diet. They are known to consume a range of fish species that are available in their habitat, including small to medium-sized fish. Crustaceans, such as crabs and crayfish, are another important food source for these turtles. They have powerful jaws that enable them to crush the hard exoskeletons of crustaceans. Snails are also a part of their diet. The Yangtze giant softshell turtle uses its strong jaws to crush the shells of snails and extract the soft tissues. Occasionally, these turtles may also consume amphibians, such as frogs and tadpoles, particularly when they are available and accessible. Various aquatic invertebrates, including insects, insect larvae, and worms, can also be part of their diet. The breeding pattern of the Yangtze giant softshell turtle involves several key aspects. Yangtze giant softshell turtles typically reach sexual maturity at around 15 to 20 years of age. However, the exact age of maturity can vary between individuals. During the breeding season, which typically occurs in the spring, male Yangtze giant softshell turtles will actively court females. This courtship behavior involves various displays, including head bobbing, circling, and nudging the female. Once the courtship is successful, the female seeks out a suitable nesting site. Yangtze giant softshell turtles are known to lay their eggs in sandy or gravelly areas along the riverbanks or on sandy river islands. The female digs a nest cavity with her hind limbs and lays a clutch of eggs in the prepared nest. The number of eggs laid can vary but usually ranges from around 50 to 100 eggs per clutch. The eggs are left buried in the nest, where they undergo an incubation period. The incubation duration can vary but generally lasts around 70 to 90 days, depending on temperature and other environmental factors. When the eggs are ready to hatch, the hatchlings use an egg tooth to break out of their shells. After emerging, they make their way to the water, guided by natural instincts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.